Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. This isn't my usual content, but it is stuff that I do, so we filmed it. So I'm doing the Minimalism Challenge. It's the second time that I've done this, and what that is oh, look at my dog down there. Hello friends. Anyway, it's where you get rid of one thing on day 1, 2 things on day 2, 3 things on day 3, all the way up until the end of the month when you're getting rid of 30 and 31 things a day. It's from a documentary about minimalism. You can find both of them on Netflix now. They actually just released a new one. So that's why you saw in the beginning of the videos the hashtags less is now, which is from the new documentary, and hashtag minimalism challenge. So if you follow those hashtags on Instagram or whatever, you'll get more information about this. So as you can see, I've already gone through a bunch of clothes and sheets and things of that nature. I've gone through makeup items, which I can't donate to Goodwill like I will most of this stuff, but I will offer it to my friends who are comfortable with taking something like that from me. It's not a lot, so I'm not like super concerned about it. Here comes my cat. Everybody say hi to Shoo Shoo. He's just popping in to sniff around, see what I'm doing, and he doesn't care. Back to it. So I'm just going through things in my room right now. I got a bunch of face masks for Christmas, so I'm just trying to get rid of the cardboard that they're on. I'm going to recycle it. I'm going to recycle as much as I can, donate what I can. I'm also going to try and use ThredUp for the first time. So I have clothes set aside that are a little bit higher end, a little bit more expensive clothing. Not that I paid a ton of money for it, because I am a very good thrifter. But things I think that, could be better used by somebody else. There's hair clips and makeup stuff that I'm going to give to my friends. And yeah. I got jewelry, hangers. I got photographs, empty boxes from products. I don't know why I can't get rid of boxes from when I bought my iPad and stuff, but yeah, they're just sitting there empty. Some memorabilia boxes as well for my closet. Oh, look, business cards from when I was making t-shirts with a friend of mine. As you'll notice too, I'm also numbering packages so that I can keep track. So because I did this, this particular part on this room, I did over a couple of days. Look at my little baby hand. The first a couple of bags you saw, I did on one day and didn't film it. And then this stuff and my books I did on another day. Look, a vintage. I know that these butterfly clips are in again, but that one's actually from my youth, so it's vintage, obviously. Anyway, yeah, so I did this on one day, and my books, and then on a third day, I did kitchen and bathroom stuff. So I didn't do, pull one thing out on day 1, pull 2 things out on day 2. I just did it in, 3 big chunks. So I didn't really put it in numbered piles like I did the first time, which you can see on my Instagram from December 2019, I think I did it. My baseball mitt from when I was a kid. I know you're not supposed to keep a lot of stuff, but I keep memory stuff. I'm gonna throw my baseball mitt away from when I was a kid. It still smells good. It still smells like a delightful baseball glove. Whatever. I'm rambling. So anyway, yeah, I labeled things so that I just had a notebook that I was keeping a running tally of stuff. I don't have a huge amount of books because I tend to move every year or 2, so I don't like to carry them with me. I'm sorry. I do like to read, but books are heavy as hell. Carrying boxes of books into your apartment and usually up flights of stairs, no thanks. And I collected some of these since I've been living here because I've been here for 2 years, so that's why I have as many as I do. And I'm getting rid of a bunch of them. I'm going to donate them to the library if they'll take them. We also have, because I live just outside of Portland, Oregon, so there's a bookstore called Powell's, and sometimes they'll buy books from you. I don't know that I have any that are worth anything, but I mean, I can give it a shot. Who hates a little bit of extra cash? Not me. This is my favorite book. You should definitely read it. I don't know why I just sang that to you. This video is faster than I thought, and like, I thought I'd have a lot of blank space, but I do not. I'm just talking. Don't look at that book. It's not mine. Yeah, I'm also not particularly religious, but I got that Precious Moments Bible for my first communion, I think, when I was a kid. So, I mean, you can't throw out a Bible, so I just keep it. It's with me forever now. I'll die with that Bible. Yep, so the bin is the books that I'm getting rid of, and then I'm just reorganizing the shelf. And don't worry, I did dust afterwards. I just didn't dust in this moment. Now we're on day 3, and it's the kitchen. Don't mind me, I'm just like wiping dust off on my pants. These hot sauces I got in a package, and I wanted to do like a Hot Ones type of trivia contest with my friends, and it never happened, and they're just sitting up there expired and disgusting. So trash it is. I'm sorry. Don't mind my messy hair. Just a day off from work. I'm emptying 2 half boxes of fettuccine into a plastic bag because, I mean, you shouldn't really have open boxes. That's, you want ants? This is how you get ants. I did organize these 3 cabinets. The cabinets behind me that you can't see are like plates and stuff, and I keep those to a minimum if I can anyway, so those are fine. I was just throwing things from the chair, so I made a mess. And you better believe my dog was trying to eat it. And I was like, get out of here. That's not even cooked. You crazy. I'm having a smoothie for lunch and some potatoes. Trying to like do a little starch solutions. You saw the book on my shelf, but I don't stick to it 100% of the time. I'm just trying to like create some better habits right now and figure out things for myself. Whatever, let's not get into it. This isn't a therapy video. I'm also throwing a couple prunes in here. Why? Because. Don't ask questions. I'm not telling you the answer to that. And then I like to add a bunch of water because I think, so I eat this, and this is weird. Like, some people might, eat vegetables on the side of their potatoes, because the starch solutions, you do like a half a plate of starch and a half a plate of vegetables or fruit or whatever. But I really like smoothies. I really like just blending up my fruits and vegetables and just drinking them all in, and then just eating potatoes. It's much more fun for my tongue and my mouth. Yeah, I need to get a new blender. That bullet is old, and it's getting real sad. Get an air fryer too, by the way. They're amazing and I love them. I resisted it first, and now I use that thing almost on the daily. This is post me pulling everything out of the cabinet, but oh man, it's beautifully organized now. And the moment we've all been waiting for, drum roll please. This is everything all together, and it's definitely over 500 items because I stopped counting at some point. Like, I had a whole bunch of Band-Aids, so many Band-Aids. There's probably like 50 of those at least. So this is definitely over 500 items. This box that you'll see in the front is the stuff I'm sending to Thread Up. And yeah, that's it. So of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.